Okay, in our first lesson, I'm going to show you how to save an HTML file. Okay, how to create, how to save, and how to open an HTML file. Alright, so first thing, what you need is a folder. On your desktop, create a folder. So how do you create a folder? You right click on your desktop, go to new, and then you have folder here, click. Okay, give the folder a name. Alright, so let's say I name it as lesson. Alright, so this is my folder. So if I double click, the folder is empty for now. Okay, this one I can close. Alright, the next thing that you need is Notepad++. Alright, this is a free software you can download online. Search for it and then download. Okay, so let's open Notepad++. Okay, this is your editor. This is where you are going to type all your HTML codes, hypertext markup language codes. Alright, this is the language that you are using to design a web page. Okay, so now how do you write the structure of a web page? You need doctype, HTML, okay, then you have HTML. Next, you will have the head, okay, and then you have the closing head tag. Inside the head tag, you will have the title tag, and you close the title tag. Right? After the head tag, you have your body tag. Then you give some space, enter, okay, give some space. You have the closing body tag. And finally, you have the closing HTML tag. Alright, so this is a new document. Okay, there's no name yet. The name is new one. Okay, so now this is the basic structure of a HTML document. The first line here states the version of your HTML document. We are using HTML5. Alright, so here, from here onwards, it tells you that this is a HTML document. This one is the version. This whole thing denotes the HTML document. Right? So now, whenever you are designing a web page, you use the HTML language. Okay, the code. So the code always looks like this. Okay, let me increase the size for you. Okay, so this is the less than symbol. This is the more than symbol. Alright, and this is what you call as tags. Okay, tags. So HTML tag, this is the head tag, this is the opening head tag. This is the opening of the title tag, right? Whenever you see a / inside the tag, it states the ending tag. Whatever that you begin, you should have an ending. So whatever that is ending, you have that /. Okay, so this is the basic structure. Your content, whatever that you want to publish, okay, whatever that you want to publish, this is the place that you put in your content. Don't put it elsewhere. This is where you put it. Okay, and if you want to put a title, okay, a title for your web page, which shows at the title bar, okay, usually on top of the browser, this is where you put it, at the title tag. Okay, Where is the location? Here, between the open and closing title tag. Okay, so this is the basic structure. Every HTML document will have the same basic structure. The only difference is the content and the title. Now, this particular document I have not saved yet. So, how to save it? Let me show you. You can see the save icon over here. You can click on it. You have this particular pop-up box. Okay. Now, remember just now we have created a folder on the browser. So, go and find that particular browser. So, go to the desktop. So, let's find the browser. Okay, this is my the folder. This is my folder. Double click. Give a name for the file. Okay, this particular file, give a name for it. Example, let's say I want to name it as sample. Okay, let's say sample 1. Okay, I am not putting any spaces, no space here. Okay, just together, sample 1 dot HTML. Okay, that is the extension. The extension states that it is a HTML document, and the save as type, choose it as all files. Okay, go and find your folder, give a name for your file, add the extension .html, and then the save as type, choose all types. Then you save. Okay, can you see there's a sudden difference? You can see colors. Alright, when you see colors, that means it's good. You have done a good job. Okay, you have saved the file correctly. Alright, so this particular document, I'm going to minimize. Okay, I'm going to go to my folder. I'm going to open it. Okay, now this particular file has been saved. So what is the type of the file? HTML file. And you can see the icon here. Okay, my default browser is Edge. Alright, so here it is giving the Edge icon. So if your default browser is Chrome, you'll get the Chrome icon. Okay, to double check, you can see the type of file. If it is HTML file, that means you have saved your file correctly. Now, how to open this file? How to make it run? Okay, so what you can do is go to the file, right click, and then open with, choose the browser that you are familiar with. For me, I would like to use Chrome. So I go to Chrome, and this is what I will get. Alright, it is empty because I have not done anything yet. Okay, that's why it is empty. Alright, so now let's say accidentally you close this particular file that you have created just now. Okay, how to get it back? Very simple. Go back to your browser, go back to your folder. Can you see your file? Right click your file, edit with Notepad. Click on this and then you'll get back your codes for that particular file, and you can start doing your content, adding in your contents. So this is how you create your first HTML document. If let's say I'm done with this, I want to create another document, very simple. You can go to File and you can create New, or what you can do is, can you see here this particular icon, New? Just click on it and you'll get another file. And you can do the same thing again and save it as an HTML document.